What's up with this now? Okay, no, they call me like that.
You calm down. You know my woman. So call me.
Okay, I see me, you know they trust me like that.
Which car to be this one now? You say you want to see me?
The thing be say, I don't tire for this relationship. Year to year, go no come. I don't tire. And two, somebody don't call see my father say he won't marry me.
God forbid.
I don't want to see you again. This relationship not over.
Tuja, you lie. You lie. It not happen. It's not possible. What did they saw? Relationship for how many years? You say you don't marry me. You won't go marry that man. Yeah. After I invest on my feelings for this relationship.
Now feelings I want chop. How many years now we don't dey together? Okay, I beg you. I don't tell you what I want to tell you.
Let's go roll. Let's go roll. No. QJ, so you say you go leave me now, but you want
I don't leave you since.
For another man. QJ, you go hear my story, oh. You go hear my story for this time, QJ. QJ, you go watch me for TV. You go watch me for national television. I go to go global, so then at the global TV you go for the see me. QJ. Now police go to escort me. Mark this thing while they tell now police go to escort me. I'll get driver, they go to drive me. You hear me so? While I'm not there, oh. I go there, I go punish you about your new husband.
Feeling me, I'm a dad before my time. Feeling me, I'm a dad before the sunset shine.
Where do you thief? Why, yeah?
Where do you thief?
Why, yeah?
Where do you thief?
Why, yeah?
Where do you thief?
Why, yeah?
Breaking news, live on LPC News. My name is Delma, and behind me is a young man caught in the community stealing wire.
Don't be solo be this.
You know him?
Now my ex be this now. Get my phone.
Where do you thief?
Why, yeah?
Where do you thief? Answer your call.
Hello?
Hello, Solo. You see I go dey watch you for national TV. Now you are the watch so. Hey, Omo, you don't blow. So now thief you the thief now.
I can't take it anymore.
Hello? Hello? Oni, I dey come.
So young man, you were caught thieving wire while your mates are doing cash milling.
No man, this useless boy. Even they do wire, they go people come and go to thief wire. Very useless boy.
Do you regret your actions?
Sometimes I regret, but most of the time I don't regret.
So what is your advice to those young thieves looking at you now, having the intention and the boldness to also come and steal? What do you have to say?
My advice for thieves out there watching me is that crime is not good. Stay away from crime. Do not steal. But if you must steal, make sure you have plan B.
Now today we go plan your B.
Every day for the thief, one day for the owner. If you can't do the time, don't do the crime. Reporting live on the LPC News. Thank you so much.
Where do you thief?
Why, yeah?
What do you thief?
Solo really tell say na police want the escort am. So na kiri prison they can't escort you go. Help.
Now what for you, bro? The fuck up.